PPT is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we was discussing about definition of an PN junction diode. PN junction diode at equilibrium condition, when the diode is become forward bias and when the diode is become reverse bias, how it will be happen and what are the process it will be happen inside the PN junction diode, which type of an charge carrier will move to which side of an semiconducting material. For that, how we are going to do the biasing for that, these are all the things we was discussed. At the same time, we also learn how the equilibrium condition, forward bias condition and reverse bias condition, this concept how we can represent in terms of an energy band diagram. Even these things also we was learned. At the same time, we also learn the particle flow. It may be in the P type or it may be in the N type, it may be the majority or it may be the minority, whatever it may be, how the particle it will be flow and how the current it will be moving with respect to that particle movement of the charge or electron. Even these things also we was learned about that. At the same time, when we are applying the external voltage from the battery, how the built-in electric field it will be changed, it will be get modified, sometimes it will be increased, sometimes it will be decreased, correct? So even these things also we was learned. Okay, at the same time, anyone will you explain the built-in electric field when it will be increased and when it will be decreased? Built-in electric field I am speaking now. From this diagram you can see this arrow mark, right? You can see this arrow mark. Okay, this arrow mark only we are using for representing the built-in electric field. Okay, so this built-in electric field when it will be increases and when it will be decreases, during forward bias or during reverse bias, it is increase or decrease? Anyone? Respond soon.
Decrease.
Yeah, when it is decreases.
And forward bias.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. So compared to an equilibrium condition, the built-in electric field, it will be suppressed when the diode is become forward bias. Okay. At the same time, when the diode is become reverse bias, when the width of the depletion region get widened. Correct. So when the depletion region it will be get widened when the diode is become reverse bias. In such situation, the built-in electric field it will become more. The built-in electric field it will become more. When the built-in electric field it will be become more, the voltage drop across this particular PN junction diode it's also get increases. Correct, that thing only we are representing here. Just check it out here. Q times of V naught minus we are actually we was represented in the forward bias condition. Anyway, for making into a reverse bias we have to supply the voltage V will be equal to a negative quantity, right? Correct. So that negative quantity minus of minus it will be become plus V naught plus supply voltage VR. Correct. This amount of an potential or this amount of an depletion region it will be created when the diode is become reverse bias. Correct. So these things we was discussed in the last class. Okay, no problem. Correct. So actually yesterday some person was asking, when we are taken the minority charge carrier, how it will be constituted a current and when it will be constituted a current, that current what we called. Correct. I think the same question he was asking for me, I think at the end of the class. I am correct. I'm correct. I don't know his name. Who is asking that question? Prajwal or Jayant or Rajnish? I don't know exactly. Who is asking that question? He is there in the class. Hello. That person is there in the class or not? At least respond. Okay, no problem. Correct. So now, as per his question, When the reverse current, it will be constituted in the PN junction diode. Okay, fine. I will give the answer for that. Correct. When the diode is become reverse bias means what? When we are connecting P-type semiconducting material to the negative terminal of the power supply and N-type semiconducting material we are connected to positive terminal of the power supply. That time what happened? This all the positively charged carrier means the P-type semiconducting metal consisting of majority charge carriers are holes and N-type semiconducting metal consisting of an majority charge carriers are electrons. Correct. So this all the positively charged carrier we are connected to negative terminal of the power supply. Correct. All the positively charged carrier we are connected to negative terminal of the power supply. There is a attractive force it will be generated here. Correct. The same time, all the negatively charged carrier from the N side we are connected to the positive terminal of the power supply. Here also there is a attractive force it will be initiated. When both the side force of attraction will be initiated, all the positively charged carrier it will be start moving towards the negative terminal of the battery, and all the negatively charged carrier it will start moving towards the positive terminal of the battery. Correct. And finally, there is no ion movement across the depletion because of both type of and charge carrier will moving away from the barrier. It will be moving away from the barrier. Correct. So now you keep on increasing the reverse voltage VR from -1, -2, -3, -4, something like that. Even the depletion region is also goes on increases. The depletion region is also goes on increases. At the same time, the built-in electric field is also goes on increases with respect to incremented in the depletion region of the PN junction diode. This is all about reverse bias condition of an PN junction diode. Now we are coming to the how the reverse current it will be constituted in the PN junction diode. Correct. So now what are the minority charge carriers are there in the P type, and what are the which type of and minority charge carriers are present in the N type? Anyone? Minority charge carrier present in P type?
Electrons.
Electrons. And minority charge carrier present in the N type, it's holes. Correct. So now just check it out with respect to biasing. All the minority means all the electron minority charge carriers of electron we are connected to the negative terminal of the power supply. Positive charge carriers of an N type, minority of N type, we are connected to positive terminal of the power supply. Now when we are considering the minority charge carrier for our analysis purpose according to this kind of an biasing, now can you tell me there is a force of attraction will be arises or there is a force of repulsion will be arises with respect to minority? Force of attraction or force of repulsion in both the side?
Attraction.
With respect to minority charge carrier present in the P type are electrons. That all the electrons we are connected to the negative terminal of the power supply. Even electron is also a negative charge carrier. That negative charge carrier you are connected to negative terminal of the power supply. In this situation there is a repulsive force, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the same time in the N type also, the N type minority are holes. The holes are the positive charge quantity, positive charge carriers. That positive charge carrier we are connected to the positive terminal of the power supply. Here also there is a repulsive force it will be initiated. When there is a repulsive force it will be initiated, what are the electrons it will be there in the P type, it will be start diffusing, it will be start moving to its original destiny. What is the original destiny of the electron? And what is the original destiny of the hole? Original destiny of the electron is N type. Original destiny of the hole is P type. Correct? When you are biasing this particular PN junction diode into the reversing mode, all the minority charge carrier it will be start moving towards its original destiny. Correct? So moving towards original destiny means what? What are the electrons are there here? That electron it will be move from P type to N type. P type to N type. Correct? So when the electron it will be start moving from P type to N type, what about the direction due to the minority charge carrier? Due to the minority charge carrier, the electron it will be start moving from P type to N type. P type to N type means what? It will be start moving from left to right. The electron is moving from left to right. Left to right means P type to N type. Now what about the current direction?
Right to
N
left.
to P.
Yeah, the current it will be start initiating N to P. Correct. So the diode is a unidirectional device. Unidirectional means it will allow current only from P to N, right? Correct. But unfortunately here, when you are making into a reverse bias, the current it will be start flowing from N to P. Correct. So one thing you make it clear it here itself. Correct. So due to the diffusion with respect to majority, drift with respect to minority. Correct. So diffusion means the p-type semiconducting material consisting of an holes are the majority, n-type consisting of an electrons are the majority. When you are connecting p-type to positive terminal of the power supply and n-type to negative terminal of the power supply, all the positively charged carrier it will start moving from p-type to n-type, and all the negatively charged carrier it will start moving from n-type to p-type. Correct. So due to the diffusion, the current it will be start moving from p-type to n-type. The current it will be start moving from p-type to n-type. Correct. So now when you are coming to the minority charge carrier, charge carrier, when it is in the reverse bias condition, the electron it will be start moving from p-type to n-type. The current it will be constituted from n-type to p-type. The current it will be constituted from or flowing from n-type to p-type. Andre ನಿಮ್ಮ diffusion current ಗುನ್ನು ಈ drift current reverse current ಗುನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರು match ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ it is in the opposite direction, right? Due to the diffusion process, the current it will be moving from p-type to n-type. Due to the drift process, the current it will be moving from n-type to p-type. I am right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So now just check it out. I am going to take your VI characteristics of an PN junction diode. This is due to the diffusion process. This is due to the diffusion process. Diffusion process andre eno, when the current it will be flowing from p-type to n-type. When the current it will be flowing from p-type to n-type, you are going to get the graph like this. Correct. So when the current it will be moving from n-type to p-type, when it is in reverse, that's also due to minority charge carrier. At the same time, one thing will you people it's possible to judge or will you possible to guess, when the diode is become reverse bias, what about the diffusion current? Anyone?
Zero.
It will be zero. Exactly. It will be zero. When the diode is become reverse bias, diffusion current it will be zero. Diffusion current will be equal to zero. ಏನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Majority charge carrier. Just check it out this diagram once again. All the positively charged carrier it will be start moving towards the negative terminal of the power supply, not moving towards the N terminal or N type of a semiconductor, or there are no charge carrier are crossing the barrier in the condition. All the positively charged carrier it will be start moving towards the negative terminal. All the negatively charged carrier it will start moving towards the positive terminal. There is no ion movement across the depletion region at all. Correct. So hence the diffusion current at reverse bias condition it will be equal to zero. It will be equal to zero means it will be negligible. It will be there, but it will be negligible. Correct. So hence when the diode is become reverse bias, only drift current is present. Only drift current is present. That's also constituted due to the minority or majority.
Minority.
Due to minority charge carrier. Correct. The concept is clear. The concept
Yes,
is clear. Yes, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿನ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಝೀರೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Correct. But drift current is not zero, right? When the diode is become reverse bias, it will be something is there. Correct. So hence I am taken this way. At the same time, can you tell me one thing here? Illi ನೀವು forward bias na nodadadre, when the power supply or when the supplied voltage is become equal to 0.7 or greater than 0.7 for the germanium, the current, just check it out. What about the current? The current is sharply or the current is instantly it will start increasing. Instantly increasing. Correct. Just check it out. At 7 or 0.6, the current it will be somewhere around 50 milliampere. Correct. At the same time, correct. So when you keep on increasing the power supply voltage 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, something like that, the forward current it will be keep on increasing. The forward current it will be keep on increasing up to the maximum ampere of current allowable through the PN junction diode. correct? But just check it out here. The drift current is very small. That's also in terms of a micro. Micro means what? 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6. Correct? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 5 ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 means what? 0.000005. 0 point followed by 505. Correct? It is very small, right? Very small. Andre most of the time we are going to neglect that particular ampere of an current in most of the calculation and all. Correct? So decimal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1.2 point ಇದ್ರೆ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು 5 0 6 zeros ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ almost we are going to neglect that particular values. Correct? But here one thing I wanted to conclude it here. Correct? The diffusion current, it will be happen due to the majority charge carrier. Correct? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಂದ ಎನ್ ಟೈಪ್ಗೆ, ಎನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಗಳು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವೆ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ diffusion process, this forward current it will be constituted in the PN junction diode. But in the reverse bias ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, that's also specially for the drift current, it's not depends upon the time. ಅಂದ್ರೆ how fastly minority charge carrier it will be moved to its original destiny, that not come to an picture. Correct? Finally, how many number of minority charge carrier moving to its original destiny. Correct? So one numerical we was calculated out of 40,000 electron, there are holes. Correct? So now 100 electron and 200 electron and the tagoladaadre, probably what about the minority charge carrier value? It will be very small, right? That is in terms of 10, 5, something like that. Correct? So in such situation, minority charge carrier values are very small, very small. Obviously, what the current it will be constituted by a minority charge carrier, even that it will be small. Even that it will be small. Hence, I am taken the graph like this. Hence, I am taken the graph like this. Correct? So this current we called as a reverse current. Correct? And one more thing, in the reverse direction itself, we are going to conclude or we are going to call some current as an generating current. Some current as an generating current. You people can see this equation. Correct? I it will be equal to IGEN. IGEN stand for generation current. Correct? IGen stand for generation current. Anyone will you explain how the generation current it will be constituted? Up to till now we was discussing only about two things. One is diffusion current, the second one is the drift current. Diffusion current it will be happen when the PN junction diode is become forward bias. Drift current it will be happen when the PN junction diode is become reverse bias. At the same time, the forward current it will be happen due to the diffusion process. Correct? So the reverse current it will be due to the minority charge carriers. It is clear under drifting process. Okay, so now what is this extra, the new thing, I generation, when the generating current it will be initiated in the PN junction diode? Anyone? Anyone? How the generating current we are called as a generation current? Any guess? Aishwarya?
Sir, due to minority carrier charge generated.
Yeah, exactly, you are right. That is due to minority charge carrier. Here I want little clarity. Which type of an current? Minority, there is no doubt in that. But in which phenomenon this generation current it will be existing in your PN junction diode? Due to minority, up to till now we are concluded as a drift current. But what is suddenly we are defining generation current? What is the difference between the drift current and generation current? Both the things it will be happen when the diode is become reverse bias. That's also due to minority. Any idea? Any guesses?
Electron hole pair in depletion region.
Electron hole pair. Exactly, you are right. Correct? So when the diode is become reverse bias, the new electron hole pair it will be created within the diffusion length, within the depletion length. Correct? Depletion length anta andre, let us take, correct? So idu esto ಒಂದು width ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? When the diode is become reverse bias, W will be equal to something, not W will be equal to 0. When the diode is become forward bias, you keep on increasing the supply voltage, the depletion region will become 0. 0.7 iddidu, it will be become 0. Correct. At the same time, when the diode is become reverse bias, the width of the depletion region not equal to 0. It will be something else. Correct. So within this diffusion length, the new electron hole pair it will be initiated. The new electron hole pair it will be initiated. Correct. So p side ali electron initiate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, n side ali hole initiate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct. So once again p side ali electron initiate ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ electron is the minority, right? It belongs to minority category. The same way n type semiconducting material type ali hole initiate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that hole it is belongs to minority category in the n type. Correct. So when the diode is become reverse bias, all the minority charge carrier it will be start moving from p to n, and all the hole it will be start moving from n to p. It is clear. Correct. So due to electron, what are the new electron hole pair it will be initiated or generated within the depletion length. Correct. So that electron or that hole it will be constitute a current, right? That current we are called as a generation current. That current we are called as an generation current. Correct. So in the coming topic, we have to discuss the very detail the reverse bias, only the reverse bias condition. There we will discuss. Correct. How the electron hole pair it will be initiated and how the diode it will be break down. These things we will discuss. But in this concept, you have to mention only this much. When the diode is become reverse bias, the width of the depletion region is goes on increases. Correct. So when the depletion region is goes on increases, the new electron hole pair it will be initiated within the depletion length. Correct. At the time of moving that new electron hole pair to its original destiny, it will be constitute a current. That current we are called as an generation. That current we are called as an generation current. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. P type ಅಲ್ಲಿ minority ಬಂದು electron, N type ಅಲ್ಲಿ minority ಬಂದು hole. Correct. So just when you are biasing the PN junction diode into an reversing mode ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು minimum voltage ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, less than minus 0.7. Less than minus 0.7 voltage I wanted to provide to turn off the PN junction diode. Turn off and make it into an reverse bias condition of an PN junction diode. Correct. So when I have provided only that much voltage, what are the minority carriers are there in the P type? What are the minority carrier are there in the N type? It will be start diffusing towards its original destiny. Correct. So those electron, which type of an current it will be constituted? That current we are called as an drift current. That current we are called as an drift current. When you keep on increasing the reverse voltage, the new electron hole pair it will be initiated within the depletion length. That electron and hole pair it will be created a current, right? While moving to its original destiny, that current we are called as a generation current. Drift current and generation current, it will be happen due to minority only, and it will be happen when the diode is become reverse bias only. The concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Still you people have any doubt in this concept? Because of this particular portion is very important in the first topic. For 10 marks question, we are going to allocate 4 marks for only this discussion. The remaining 6 marks for 2 marks for equilibrium condition, 2 marks for forward bias, 2 marks for reverse bias. For particular this discussion, we are going to allocate it 4 marks. Totally it is a 10 marks question. And this is one of the most expected question for your main examination. Please don't neglect. Try to understand within the class itself. Any doubt? Shall I move to the next topic? If you clear,
Yes, sir.
there is no doubt in this. Yeah. Okay. So this is all about the first topic. Andre qualitative analysis of an PN junction diode at equilibrium condition, at forward bias condition, at reverse bias condition. Idinella along with the energy band diagram now within a kaltvi. Then we will move to the next topic. The second topic in your first chapter of the second module, reverse breakdown in a PN junction diode. Reverse breakdown in a PN junction diode. Before entering to this particular topic, anyone will you define or anyone will you brief in what are the condition your PN junction diode is going to damage or PN junction diode is going to break down. Breakdown andre ಏನು damage. In what are the conditions?
Due to temperature and more combination of electrons and work pairs.
Okay, only the two
When the
things.
junction decreases
When the junction decreases,
and
okay.
there is no combination of p-n junctions. Maybe between that junction, no junction will be present.
Okay. When the ನಾವು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ VBR ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು VBR ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So what is this VBR? What it represent? What is this VBR? Yeah, reverse breakdown voltage. For a silicon, that's also low current diode. Low current diode. There are three categories are there for the PN junction diode. Based on the current rating, we are dividing the classification of diode. The first one is the low current diode. The second one is the medium current diode. The third one is the high current diode anta ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Medium current diode, it will be capable to allow only 100 milliamperes of an current. The medium current diode, it will allow up to 300 to 400 milliampere of current. The high current diode, it will allow up to in terms of an ampere. In terms of an ampere, correct? Ampere is greater than milli, correct? Amperes of an current. This is all about current ratings of a PN junction diode. Low current diode, medium current diode, high current diode. At the same time, low current diode in the reverse bias condition, it will be withstand up to 70 to 80. Silicon, only silicon I am discussing. 70 to 80, correct? Medium current diode, it will be withstand up to 200 to 300 volt reverse voltage. And high current diode, it will be withstand up to thousands together of an voltage. Thousands together of an voltage, correct? So this is the diode rating for low current diode, medium current diode and high current diode. Andre VBR value 70 to 80 indre, up to that voltage it will be tolerating. Up to that voltage, the diode it will be tolerating. When you crossing or when you are keep on increasing the supply voltage behind its limit, correct? So that time the high reverse current it will be start flowing through that. Very high reverse current it will be flowing through the PN junction diode. Due to very high reverse current, the diode it will become damaged. The diode it will be become damaged. And one more question, the diode it will be damaged only under the reverse bias condition, it not at all damaged under the forward bias condition?
Sir, it will, sir. After
It
the
will
peak.
be. Exactly, correct. So for any electronic component you can take, correct? So some limitation it will be there in good side also, in bad side also, correct? So ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಗೆಜೆಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, for proper operation of that particular electronic gadget, you needed to provide this much minimum of much voltage to that, maximum this much voltage to that. ಇವೆರಡೂ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು 230 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಪ್ ಟು 400 ವರ್ಗು ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಚ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ 400 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ 600 700 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್, what it will be? Definitely that particular electronic gadget it will be damaged, right? Due to very high current. Due to very high current. At the same time, avanu helirtane minimum we need to provide 230 volt for that particular operation of electronic gadget anta adaga nanu 50 volt 60 volt kotre it will be behave or it will be operate? No, right? Correct. So I hope you people are remember, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು when the battery is less than 30%, when the battery level is less than the 25%, something like that. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನೀವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Correct. So when the battery level it is less than 25% or 30%, it will be behaving something else. Behaving ಅಂದ್ರೆ some dangerous radiations ಗಳನ್ನ ಅವು ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂಥರ ಇದಿಲ್ದೆಲ್ಲೇ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. So there is a chances of an behaving ಒಂಥರ unproperly. Correct. So these are all the cautions for the individual electronic gadget. At the same time, even for PN junction diode also, forward bias allo some limitation is there, reverse bias also some limitation is there. Correct. Up to 70-80 it will be tolerating. More than that, if you wanted to provide the reverse voltage, definitely the diode it will be spoiled due to very high reverse saturation current. The second one, for the low current diode, the maximum allowable forward current is 100 milliampere. Maximum forward allowable current is 100 milliampere, correct? So now you keep on increasing the power supply in a sense temperature. Somebody was told, correct? So now you keep on changing the temperature, correct, with the help of an supply voltage, correct? So in that situation also the diode is going to break down due to very high forward current. In the place of an 100 milli, if I am trying to flowing, or if I am trying to channelize the 150 milli or 200 milli, something like that within the PN junction diode, due to very high forward current, even that device is going to damaged, correct? First adu heat na liberal ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, correct? So ಆ heat energy ಮುಖಾಂತರನು ಅದು emit ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ it will be damaged, it will be burst. Correct. So in both the case, under the forward bias also the diode it will be breakdown. Under the reverse bias also the diode it will be break up. Correct. So the reverse bias condition ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು detail ಆಗಿ ನಾವು study ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, correct? So in the two mechanisms there are two type of an breakdown. It will be happen under the reverse bias condition of an 2 PN junction diode. The first type of an breakdown we are called as an Zener breakdown mechanism. The second type of an breakdown we are called as an avalanche breakdown mechanism. Zener breakdown mechanism. The second one is the avalanche breakdown mechanism. Before entering to the Zener breakdown mechanism and the avalanche breakdown mechanism, anyone can you tell me, for enhancing the lifetime of the PN junction diode, that is due to very high forward current ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, that is due to very high reverse current ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, correct? How we can enhance the life of the PN junction diode? Which component you needed to use for enhancing the life of the PN junction diode, or for avoiding the damaging of the PN junction diode in your circuitry? Resistor, exactly, correct. What is the role of the resistor? What is the purpose of using the resistor?
To block the additional voltage or current.
That's all, correct. The resistor, name ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, resistor, resisting something ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, correct? So resistor, it will be resisting the flow of current. It may be in the forward direction or it may be in the reverse direction, correct? So if I am going to use a one proper resistance connected externally, not internally, PN junction diode ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, external ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. But Zener diode ನಲ್ಲಿ there is a internal current limiting resistance was there in the Zener diode for avoiding the damaging of that Zener diode. But PN junction diode ali we have to use the external resistance for avoiding the permanent damaging of an PN junction diode under forward bias condition ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು or under reverse bias condition ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, correct? This is the one case or one type, one way to enhance the lifetime of the PN junction diode. Okay, so this is all about reverse bias. Now we will move to the two type of an mechanism, Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Once again, this is in your main examination they are asking for 10 marks, correct? So Zener breakdown 4 marks, avalanche breakdown 4 marks, and remaining 2 marks for general reverse bias condition discussion. General reverse breakdown condition discussion, correct? 2 plus 4 plus 4, totally 10 marks question it is. Okay, so now you people have any idea about Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown? Because of this, all the concept we was studied in the first semester of basic electronics itself, right? Nothing new here. Only the new thing is this thing, drift, and this one, avalanche or Zener effect. Only these extra things we needed to represent it here. Any idea about Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown? When
Zener breakdown occurs because of high electric field. When the electric field applied across PN junction, electrons will moving. Because of that, Zener voltage will be created. Zener breakdown will be created.
Okay, then avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown. Okay.
Sir, due to the more current, the covalent bond breaks, sir.
Zener break avalanche. Avalanche. No, actually covalent bond it will be break in Zener. Zener breakdown concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Avalanche due to collision.
Yes, sir.
Avalanche due to collision.
Avalanche because of high current, sir. Avalanche breakdown will be.
ಎರಡೂನು high current ನೇ, ಎರಡೂನು due to very high reverse saturation current, the diode it will be break up. One condition we called as a Zener breakdown ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Second condition we are called as an avalanche breakdown ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು breakdown ಎರಡು reverse saturation current ನೇ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, Zener breakdown ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, avalanche breakdown ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. As per you, it's correct. Zener breakdown, it will be happen due to very high or intense electric field. It will be initiated at the across the barrier. Due to that only Zener breakdown, it will be happen. Correct. So ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, breaking of an covalent bond. Breaking of an covalent bond, it will be happen under the Zener breakdown concept itself. Avalanche breakdown only due to collision process. Due to collision, the new electron hole pair it will be initiated. New electron hole pair it will be initiated. When the covalent bond it will be rupture, only electron it will be initiated, not hole. Only electron pair. Again, one covalent bond ali ಎರಡು electron irutte, electron pair it will be initiated. Okay, so now we will see very detailedly along with the energy band diagrams. Along with the energy band diagrams, correct? So now coming to the first type of an reverse breakdown mechanism, it is Zener breakdown. That is Zener breakdown. Zener effect andre artha enu? Any idea? Illi electron
larger narrow depletion regions.
Yeah, narrow depletion region. Okay, fine, exactly, you are right.
Operates in the reverse bias.
Illi ಎರಡು definitions ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The first definition is Zener effect. The second definition is electron tunneling. Electron tunneling. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ electron tunneling. Correct. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು along with the concept of Zener breakdown. Correct. The first I am going to define what is Zener effect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Correct. So Zener effect ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when you are going to take a PN junction diode, that PN junction diode you have to bias it into the reverse mode. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು reverse bias condition. Correct. So reverse bias condition ಅಂದ್ರೆ condition ಏನು? The P type semiconducting material connected to negative terminal of the power supply. The N type semiconducting material I am connected to the positive terminal of the power supply. Correct. So when I am connecting this kind of an connection with the help of an additional battery, all the majority charge carrier present in the P type it will be start moving towards the negative terminal of the power supply. All the positive negatively charged carrier present in the N type it will be start moving towards the positive terminal of the power supply. There is no ion movement across the depletion region. That condition only we are called as a reverse bias condition of an PN junction diode. Now coming to the minority. Now coming to the illivargu nan maatadidu majority charge carrier. Now coming to the minority charge carrier. The electrons are the minority charge carrier present in the P type. Holes are the minority charge carrier present in the N type. Correct. So now when you are considering the minority, that's also with respect to this kind of an biasing, the minority charge carrier it will be start repelling each other. The minority charge carrier it will experience the repulsive force due to the supply voltage. ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mic mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Due to the repulsive force. Due to the repulsive force, all the minority charge carrier it will be start diffusing to its original destiny. Diffusing to its original destiny because of the electron will be present in the P type. The hole it will be present in the N type. The original destiny of the electron is N type. The original destiny of the hole it will be P type. So hence under the reverse bias condition, all the minority charge carrier present in the P type it will be start moving towards the N type. It will be start moving towards the N type. It will be start moving towards the N type ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. Under the reverse bias condition, when the electron is transferring from P type to N type, when the electron is transferring from P type to N type, it will be constituted a current from N type to P type side. The current direction is N type to P side. Because of the electron is moving from P type to N type, the constituted current it will be moving from N type to P type. Correct? So adinne illi bardirodu, moving from N type to P type. Correct. So this phenomenon only we are called as an Zener effect. This phenomenon only we are called as an Zener effect. Okay. So now coming to the electron tunneling. At the same time, under the Zener breakdown condition, okay. Under the Zener breakdown condition, we have to choose heavily doped PN junction diode. Now, anyone will you brief or anyone will you tell me what are the changes it will be happen if we are considering heavily doped PN junction diode, and what are the things it will be happen when we are considering the lightly doped PN junction diode? Heavily doped ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, lightly doped ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Heavily doped can withstand a more voltage, sir, because a resistance will be more, and lightly doped cannot withstand a more voltage.
For heavily doped PN junction diode, the depletion region it will be very less. Actually, yesterday in the first class I was discussing, correct? Heavily doped, moderately doped, lightly doped, correct? So normally for moderately doped, the cut-in voltage it will be equal to 0.7, correct? So for heavily doped, probably the cut-in voltage it will be equal to 0.5, correct? So for lightly doped, the probability of cut-in voltage it will be equal to up to 0.8 or 1 volt, something like that. Correct. So when we are taking the picture of an heavily doped PN junction diode, the depletion region is very narrow. The depletion region is very narrow compared to moderately doped PN junction diode. Compared to moderately PN junction diode. Correct. As per this graph, ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, correct, at T1, this is the breakdown level. When the temperature is keep on increasing, especially in the Zener breakdown concept, the diode is break up soon, or the lifetime of the diode it will be enhanced due to the heavily doping. Anybody? Due to the heavily doped PN junction diode, that you are biased in the reverse mode, it will be break up soon, or the lifetime it will be enhanced when you keep on increasing the power supply.
Enhanced, sir.
Under lifetime of that particular PN junction diode, it will be enhanced under the reverse bias condition. That's also heavily doped PN junction, right? ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
Yes, sir. Resistance ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Reverse bias ಅಲ್ಲಿ, when T will be equal to T1, this is the voltage drop. I mean, this is the breakdown region. Correct. When T will be equal to
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, depletion region it will be small. I am discussing in the reversing mode. I am not discussing about the forward mode. Forward mode ali the forward resistance it will be very small. But what about the reverse resistance? Reverse resistance it will be more, right? These two phenomenon, these two mechanism I am discussing under the reverse bias condition of an PN junction diode. I am not taken the forward bias condition here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when the diode is become forward bias, it will offer very small resistance even for moderately diode. Correct. Ideally ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 0 ohm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Correct. ಅದೇ same when the diode is become reverse bias, it will be offer a very high resistance. Practically it will be in terms of an mega, but ideally it will be in terms of infinite. Correct. So hence, especially for the Zener breakdown concept, that's also due to heavily doped. When T will be become T1 to T2, the breakdown it will be happen soon. The breakdown it will be happen soon under the heavily doped PN junction diode. How it will be happen very soon, we will discuss very detailedly in the next class. Okay, so you people have any doubt up to till now what we was discussed in the today's class?
No, sir.
You people have any doubt? You people can ask me now. I will clear it out.